Ewens Ponds, and we thought we've done some beautiful footage for you. It was cold, we were freezing the whole way. Actually, nah, we were sooks. We got two legends. We got Mitch and Isaac, and they filmed the whole bloody thing for us because we didn't have wetsuits and we were too cold to get in for us.
Yeah, she cold.
Oh, she's seeping in. Yes. Are we ready to kick it, Trigger?
Honestly, I've never floated so much in my life.
Float, dude, with two wetsuits. I don't see. I don't having a life jacket on. Alright. Pool number one. Pond number one. Alrighty. Here's the pond. This thing is unreal, eh?
It's at least a 10 out of 10.
It's what?
At least a 10 out of 10.
Oh.
That's so good.
That's so sick.
Alright, we're about to roll through to pond number 2. This part's actually pretty red hot. You don't have to swim at all. It just sucks you through. This pond's got to be at least 10 metres deep, I reckon.
Oh yeah.
What do you reckon, about 10?
About 10 right here.
It's wild.
In the middle is so deep.
Right,
It's so clear.
we have to rinse it.
Pond number 2. Pretty unreal. And like, it's so clear even on a cloudy day.
So therapeutic, but
Oh yeah, just floating.
oh, it's amazing. Tell you, I highly recommend this, but I recommend it with a weight belt. I'd definitely take a weight belt if I did this again.
And some big fins.
Some big fins.
That's pretty nice.
This section's red hot, mate.
Floating through.
Yeah. We're about to go over the edge.
To pond number 3.
Yeah, oh, we'll do it together. It'll be psycho.
Hey! We're doing alright. It's pretty unreal. It's awesome. No, we didn't see a turtle.
Yeah, apparently there was two back at the other one.
Oh, wow, there you go. And then between both of them, there's like a little current, and you just float, and it pushes you through. It's so cool.
Go get him.
Hey legends, oi! And here's the legends out here.
Hey!
Mitch and Isaac. Good on you lads, thank you for that.